Hey everybody, what's up? This is Rich, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a bunch of files with a utility, freeware utility called Rename Master. Now what I have here is 6 documents, and now what I could do is just right click each one and then go to rename and then rename the file, or highlight, press F2 on my keyboard and rename it that way. But what if I want to rename these all at once at the same time? You can do this with Rename Master, and I'll show you how. I have the program open here. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually go to Files, and there are my documents right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I want to change document to just doc. So I'm going to do a replace. And I'm going to do a replace this with this. So I'm going to do replace document with doc. So now, as you can see here, it shows the current name and the new name of what's going to happen. And then all I have to do at the bottom here is click the rename selected files, done. And if I minimize this and bring it open, all the files have been renamed to doc instead of document. Now you can do this for any part of the file name. In the beginning, in the middle, at the end, you can change just the extension. You can do whatever you want with it, and it's really cool. Now let me just bring this into view here. This is the website for it. It's called jojosoft.com, and right on the left side is Rename Master, and it does work in Vista, by the way, as well as XP. And then there is a download right here, version 2.9.0. You download it, and you can do exactly what I just did. Now, just a couple other notes about Rename Master. It will do add, replace, or remove. It does wildcards and counting as well. It does it in that order: add, replace, or remove. When you first use this application, it may be a little bit difficult to use until you get used to it, but it's not that much of a learning curve. As you can see, when I did my replace, it was really easy. And let's say I want to rename them again. Now if I do replace this with this, I'll do replace doc with, I'll just call it file. So now it's going to change doc to file. Now notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It didn't touch the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. It only touched what I told it to touch. In this case, doc. And if I do a rename on that, and then minimize and bring back up my Explorer window, there it is, file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Works like a charm. I recommend it. It's good freeware. Take it easy.